pre-market trade here. Just noting the dollar pushing higher, the Dixie up around spot 1.5% now. Dollar yen up around spot 5.5%.
Jesteś.
According to TC Energy, Canada could become the largest ING exporter to Asia. Correction, LNG exporter to Asia. So according to TC Energy, Canada could become the largest LNG exporter to Asia.
Ja. Zombie, kurwa. Baltimore Lane. Aj kurwa, poskładowski, ja pierdolę. Okay. So that is dipping. Oh. Looks like it's already falling.
ICE executive says resolution to tariffs and trade discussions going to continue to create a long tailwind for the growth of natural gas globally.
Well, it's me again. It's Donald J. Frickin' Trump, okay? And if you're sick and tired of hearing my voice in this ad, which is pretty sad, all you've got to do is go real time at financialjuice.com.
Looks like I'm live.
/purchase and save
Okay, so it's 31st of July 2025.
beautiful, big, huge discount.
It's
So what are you
Donald
waiting
Trump.
for? Come on.
And as you can see, yesterday's Meta and Microsoft gave us a really big boost. So market basically reversed all the drop. I've been sitting in the shorts down here, and then we got the reverse nasty spike up. Glad I wasn't involved in any kind of, shorting down there after 3:45. I think this last push was 45.50 up to 4 p.m. Okay, so what we have right now is just additional boost overnight. Someone was buying the stops. Market is about to open in 7 minutes. And this is your one and only trap trader. Trading live, futures, NQ and ES. So what do we see? How we're gonna play this? We're probably gonna wait and see approach, because it's a very tricky situation. We have a gap, obviously. Or if we open anywhere here, we will have a gap to 34.75, 35, and we'll have a gap to 689.75 on Nasdaq. 650, 700 liquidity. I'm checking up liquidity. I mean, obviously that push requires some sort of manipulation to the downside, but ranges are big. We have to be careful with the size today. Probably trade just for contracts. We do need, this is my second day or third day today on this account, so we have made $2,249 in 2 days. Need to make another 750 to pass this account. Okay, I can see a little bit of drop. Prior to open. And this could have been a manipulation. This could have been a manipulation. We grabbed it 15-minute. Got this London high, London low, Asia. Asia is down here. Similar story here. 4 minutes still open. Nasdaq did take this one. We have a favorite gap here. Just wait and see approach. Wait and see approach. Two more minutes. It's the high of the previous week. This high is much lower, so I'm not gonna be interested in that. Yeah, I think some sort of manipulation to the downside, maybe to close this gap. And we can take not a lot of liquidity, to be honest, up here. If you just look at that, it's just a little bit of liquidity at the top of this range, at the top of this push, and I'm looking as well here, but you know, the moment we drop into it, shorts will start to cover, and this dropped shorts will cover as well, so we should get a little bit of bounce, and I think I'm gonna play that. At least I will try here. Same story with the S.
10 seconds.
Whichever hits first. Whichever
Market on open imbalance.
Whichever hits first.
Sell side 338 million. Nasdaq 100. Sell side 31 million. Dow 30. Sell side 137 million. Mag 7. Sell side 25 million. Dumping. Okay, we're open. And Gear's hitting this already, but ES. Microsoft jumps 8.2% to surpass $4 trillion in market value.
Okay. got the level down here. Possibly they're going to grab this. Oh, sorry, yesterday's high is down here. Is it? Wait a second. $660. $650. What the fuck is this, man? Oh man, I just did something wrong. Okay, so RTH was down here.
After solid earnings from Microsoft, Meta, and Amazon, at 2%.
That's different.
Got 1%.
Yeah, that's the trot liquidity from 29th. Yeah, I want to go buy this. Let's wait. We got ES has got a lot of liquidity. They might go down and grab this 35, 37, 40. 35 is, yeah. $35, but yeah, I got confused with this thing. I got two levels of yesterday's high, and that's actually wrong what I have here. That's why yesterday's high was here. No. God damn it. Yesterday's high was up here. $688. Alright, now it's correct.
Iceberg and Q buy.
At 9:45 a.m.
Stock ESL.
I would like an ES to get down to this yesterday's high, but I might not get that. We might not get there. Let's wait for this manipulation to happen. It's only 5 minutes from the open.
Iceberg ES buy.
Let them do the thing.
Stop and Q sell.
Yeah, they keep going down.
Sweep and Q sellers.
Delta, pretty big delta on the way down. Minus 2,800 on the previous 5-minute candle. We have another level down here. Obviously he has just hit that yesterday's high. Well, I got everything wrong here. Yeah, they didn't, but they're close. I don't know what I did here. Unprepared. These levels were wrong. I put them in the wrong place on my trading platform. I mean, that's the place where we could expect some sort of reversal. But NQ is still tanking. ES hasn't taken his yesterday's high yet. Yeah, I would like ES to take that yesterday's high first. Possibly go to your weekly high. And they have liquidity. 22, 30, 22, 30, 22. Yeah. Nasty drop. So the drop was, that's the open. That's the open. Level is waiting. Let's just put that level here. It makes sense. This is where the liquidity, trap liquidity is from yesterday.
Absorption NQ buyers.
NQ has got 600 level.
We have the US
Welcome,
Chicago
Emiliano.
PMI.
You have been
Forecast
awarded some
42,
fun.
previous
Use
40 spot
that
fall.
fun to check your balance.
600. Yeah. I got the 600.
Stock ESL.
Looks like we continue lower. Now we can go really fast through the single prints here, if they want to. We could also reverse because they grab the liquidity. Well, let's have a
Stock
look.
ESL.
French futures trader, your fund balance is £9.10.
Could get a bit of reversal. Maybe a little dip to 25, 37, 25. me look at that now closely. So the drop was what, 747, 100 points. Let me try long here. Yeah. Let me try long here. For a push, perhaps up here.
Absorption and Q buyers.
Probably too early.
Order filled.
Too early is 42. Let this market sweep that 45 drop, because we're gonna have a 45 candle here. That's too early.
Welcome, Vito Seco. You have been awarded some fun. Use Aetion to check your balance.
A bit too early with this entry. Yep. Too early.
Welcome, Lionel Ramos. You have been awarded some fund. Used bot fund to check your balance.
Past. We can go lower.
Stop and Q sell.
Let's make that
Stop and
45
sell.
candle. The first rotation, first 15 minutes. 25.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna buy here into this liquidity at 22.25. For a quick scalp. There
Order
you go,
filled.
$90. It's fine. And I'm still expecting this price to come back down here. $600 seems like a reasonable place.
10 seconds.
To get involved for some sort of retracement.
47 spot
here.
1, 47 spot 1, higher than the forecast of 42 spot 0.
So obviously we have this data today, employment, unemployment claims, PCE, everything in line. So nothing too big, nothing to be standing out. Oh, I'm gonna get in
Order
one more
filled.
time.
Stop and Q sell.
Get in one more time.
ES sellers.
Do a little like
Sweep ES sellers.
you're behind the markets. If you're a real day well, it's
Iceberg
me
and Q
again.
buy.
It's Donald
And now we
J.
can expect
Frickin'
this
Trump,
push.
okay?
Iceberg
if
and
you're
Q
Something
buy.
here.
tired of hearing my voice in this ad,
At 700 liquidity waiting.
all you've got to do is go real
Iceberg
time
and Q
650.
buy.
introduce.com/purchase and save 67% on
We're gonna touch 600. If we do, I wanna buy one more. Yeah, that's pretty good, I think, for a little bit of bounce after first 15 minutes
Iceberg and Q
of
buy. Stop and Q sell.
dropping.
Absorption and Q buyers.
Should get a little bit of relief rally. 650 is like a first. No, that's not a perfect entry. Perfect entry will be below that 15-minute, but that happened really quick, so. Two legs down, unusual market likes to come back at least here, if not up there. Yeah, that 600 is waiting, but it could be just, this could just be a bait for shorts to keep shorting into it while they will take them up. They do this kind of things all the time. So yeah, we've been patient. Now we should get reward.
Absorption and Q buyers.
Should get some sort of reward now. $47. Okay, so the previous 5-minute candle was down 2.3 thousand delta, and now it's only minus 600, minus 500. So we are reversing. Clear reversal. Target could be yesterday's high, so 687. Liquidity is added. I don't think we're gonna get there. Pump it. The 50 has to crack. A little bit of trap liquidity here. But if intention was to take these longs out, they will push for this and we'll go up there. And to be honest, this could have been the drop. And who knows how far we're gonna go. So are we going to let it run? 87, waiting. Come on.
Absorption and Q buyers.
49 past 50. ICT algo at 50. Let's see if it's gonna work. Somebody's adding. I like that. So they're pegging that price, they're helping the price to stay. And now liquidity should start to chase the price up. Keep buying. Keep buying. We need to push for this 75. You know
Order
what?
filled.
$200 something. Gonna take it and try to get involved one more time. Some sort of pullback to 37. Can I get that 37? One more time. Come on, come on, come on. That wasn't 37, it was higher, it was 40. competing to get in. Come on, get me in as well. No. 52 past. Yeah. We sold too early. Because they will try to push through that. Yeah, we're a bit unlucky here on this entry. Market dipped, but can still try to chase this here. We do have another 30 points to 700. 700 is up there. Yeah.
Stop NQ buy. Stop ES buy.
It happens. It happens. Well, sitting in the money anyway. Okay, let's look at ES. Look what ES is doing. I already got zoomed in on Nasdaq, and ES is approaching that shelf of liquidity up here. Let's quickly have a look. That's the first touch. The first touch is gonna be at 50, 53, 54. There you go. We sold somewhere here, right? 20 more points. Next time, stay in a trade. Look at ES. Delta, almost 3,000 up. So pretty bullish. We never touched that. And we never touched a 600 faded away. We have touched 612. Let me check. Oh yeah, we did. So we've been there already. Look at it, man. So we dropped to almost 50%. Nasdaq, sorry, ES has got liquidity up to 55, so that's the fair value gap. We basically hit the opening price on ES, which is 47. Yeah. looks like we're gonna get accepted into this overnight range. I would expect some sort of drop, but I don't want to play that because market has been very bullish and that's just a manipulation. 57 past. 57 past. Oh man, that's painful. We got out somewhere here, look at it. That was unlucky. Should have got in at 41. But that entry pretty good. Look at ES, it's just, yeah, they're gonna go and grab that for 55. Yeah, I don't know, I just mess up with that yesterday's high. No, it's correct. So we did close the gap. Where's RTH? Here. So we closed this gap. Just hit new high of the day on NQ on ES. I don't want to play shorts, but it's 10 o'clock now. But I should take it because you have to expect some sort of retracement after a push like that. And Q has got that imbalance here still. I don't know. I don't think they're gonna get down there. I don't think so. I don't think so. Today we have another set of earnings. Oh, actually, look at that. That's a market shift. Back to 37. O'clock.
Sweep NQ buyers. Absorption NQ sellers.
Not so sure if I should have tried that short up there. $87.70. We have a fair value gap here. Let's see what we're gonna do with it. Yes, it's looking solid. At least for now. Nasdaq is weaker. push to 700. If we invert this fair value gap, yes, it's just holding. Yeah, maybe they just wanted to grab that liquidity. Yeah, looks like we're inverting it. O'clock. Yeah, they have inverted it. I'm gonna go long here. Stop loss here. That's it.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It's just only 3 past, so. But with this fair value gap inversion, that is a bullish setup. And we could take that high. Ooh. Not bueno. They have time. No. They're gonna sweep me and go back up, right? To give space. Something tells me we're not gonna go there. I don't see liquidity up there. Better be out and sort it. Can always re-enter. 6 past. Try one more time. Yeah, now they're helping me.
Iceberg and Q
Order
cell.
filled.
700.
Order filled.
See if we can get that push high if we squeeze through this. 700.
Order filled.
I'll buy cheaper if I can. Give me 5 minutes here. Five, 1. Yeah. Get
Order
me in.
filled.
Get me in into this fair value gap, which has been inverted twice. Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go. There we go. There we go. What do we see? 25. 725. That would be nice. That would be nice. God damn it, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Order
I'm gonna add
filled.
here. I will add here. They got 6 more minutes on this rotation, so expect a lot. I think today Apple and who is doing earnings? Amazon and Apple. Amazon and Apple. So I think because they pushed yesterday on Meta and Microsoft, they could get a push. I mean, if we squeeze now, close, get back above this London low and start to build it up, this could give us something like that. Come on, Nasdaq. Don't make me close this again. Oh shit. Really? They could manipulate that range one more time. I mean, ES has done that already with this drop here. So that was the manipulation part. That was the manipulation part. They
Order
should not
filled.
manipulate anymore. Should just start to squeeze. They should start to squeeze.
Iceberg ES5.
4 minutes. We got a bull flag. Little manipulation down here. And then pump. God damn it.
Stop NQ sell.
They still want to drop lower. Do proper manipulation. Yeah, I got a proper manipulation now.
Stop NQ sell.
I got to hold this, man. Jesus. Fucking hell. That doesn't look like a manipulation anymore. let's see. Could be. And now drive it up. Yeah. Manipulation. If we get accepted
Welcome, Patrick
into the
Johns.
range,
You have been awarded some fund. Used
he has got
fund
involved.
to check your
Yeah,
balance.
ES is already in the range. Nasdaq's gonna follow. So that was a manipulation. I was suspicious about the little fucking. It's just not enough. 66, 20 points. Manipulation, fine. Fine. Now just drive it up and let's go.
Absorption and Q buyers.
Yeah, so they were flagging. They dropped. This is called turtle soup, an ICT term. Oh, look where my entry is. Shit entry, right? Chasing it, thinking we're gonna go. And they manipulated it down. It's okay. We know where we're going. Let me measure quickly. Why I can't fucking find this thing? Yeah. Let me measure these legs. Leg 1 and leg 2. Yeah. Ten 15, 10:30, 11 o'clock. Fifteen past. Six is enough, because if we go up there, I'm gonna add something later. So we have another rotation now. They got time, they can build it up. This trap liquidity is giving back, so whoever was long like me trapped is selling, they're buying. So that's what it is. But we have that relatively equal highs here that ES will be trying to hit. They will try to hit that. To sell basically, like a minimum. Yeah, I was waiting for manipulation. I mean, that was not enough, man. I thought that is the manipulation, but that's not the manipulation. Probably should use different marker, like a range or some sort of thing, because what you want to see is the stop losses burst. But I thought we're gonna go on that. Maybe I got excited too early, because we were up here. I was thinking we're gonna go. It's fine. We're still gonna go there. Just need to hold. I'm gonna add one
Order
more here.
filled.
Stop ES sell.
I'm greedy. Greedy bastard. Also, if you drop, it's 62%. Usually you have 70%. 18 past. Still time. Now is the question, should I close and try to buy cheaper? Or are you just gonna go? It's 20 past. That'll probably be one more manipulation down and then we're gonna go. Yeah, they're gonna probably do something like this. And then we're gonna go. Maybe even take that low. But ES is holding up here, so ES is holding the range. I'm holding that trade. I need to see this high. And I need to see the second leg. And I don't even, yeah, I don't even need that much. Okay, that's expected. One more dip. 20, 25. Yeah, so probably was a bad idea to get out here. We could buy now at 45. So you see, they actually reached that optimum trade entry, 70. They fucking doing it, man. They're doing it. They are doing it. $22, $25, and then attack on the highs in the last 5 minutes. of the 1030 range. 1015, 1030 range.
Iceberg and
Oh, don't
eval.
fucking go down, man.
Ryan Mack said the traders of old would be able to sit through this dump.
Don't do that. Climb back up. Don't see much liquidity here, that's the problem. How about this? That means that they can move fast as well. If there's no liquidity, that's this void, they can just jump really fast.
Absorption and Q sellers.
Dr. John Dorian, your fund balance is 21282.
Dr. John Dorian said dump this Ponzi.
Don't dump it. Push it up. Not much liquidity up. That's what is worrying me. Okay.
Order filled.
Now we have to take the loss, mate. That's not doing what it's supposed to do. That's supposed to be a fast move down. And it wasn't. And it wasn't. Fast move down and then climb it back up. But this second drop, man, I don't know. And there's like zero liquidity here. Don't like that. Better be out. Take the loss. Yeah. I'm gonna take that low. Yeah. Good call.
Absorption and Q buyers.
Alright, so we're going lower. Too confident, too confident. Okay, that's 79% optimum trade entry hit. Hmm. 27 past. Still nothing there.
Order
Let me
filled.
try short this thing. Really? Now you're gonna do me like that? Oh man. Got fucked on both sides. Yeah, I think now reversing now.
Order filled.
No man, no man, no man. $29 past. $10.30. Where are we anyway? 50. Not doing too well. $10.30. Still zero liquidity here, but the market is trying to go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Momentum is up. The 79% worked. I need to add more.
Order filled.
Enough of that fooling around. Come on, let's go up.
Order filled.
Got liquidity up.
Stop ES5.
Order filled.
Stop NQ sell.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Stop ES sell.
That's a fucking short,
Order
man.
filled.
Oh, this is not good, man. This is not good. Unbelievable. So, bookmap didn't lie. There was no liquidity up there. No liquidity up there. No, now we are really in a deep fucking hole. Minus $1,000. So no more holding, just scalping quick in and out, in and out, in and out. 34. $600. And yes. $422. Yeah, overstayed my welcome here on this push.
Order filled. Order filled.
Quick in and out, honestly. What? Down again? Yeah. You're going to fucking belong into this bearish fair leg up.
Sweep NQ sellers. Stop NQ sell. Stop ES sell.
Jesus. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Can we reverse now?
Iceberg ES sell.
$6.50. I was waiting. 6.37. Just need to go through this.
Hello, everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. It's really me. And I'm going to do a little advert for financial use. You're behind the market. If you're a real day trader, go
fuck that, man. I'm gonna hold. Because this could be reversal now. Yeah, we got liquidity stocking up there.
Instead of a 67%.
Welcome, Druda. You have been awarded some fund. Use fund to check your balance.
Very big, very big.
Order filled.
Got some liquidity stocking up now.
My hands are bigger. What are you waiting for?
Yeah, it was all suspicious, man. This fucking emptiness there. It's too suspicious. Now we have liquidity, so I can go to 37 up to 50.
Order filled.
$37.40. Come on, motherfucker.
Order filled.
$37. Can't go higher than that. Yeah. Really? Jesus. Fucking hell. Blow up.
Absorption and Q buyers.
Oh, we fucking survived this. Squeeze now, motherfucker. Squeeze, you fucking cunt. We got that 600, now we have to push somewhere. 45, 50. Let's go. So much manipulation, honestly. Don't you tell me you wanna still push this low at 25. I can, but 45 waiting and 40. So let's see if they can just push now.
Sweep and Q sellers.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Honestly, again. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Fucking blow up now, honestly. Unbelievable. They did me so bad, man. And I just calculated something wrong. I'm still... Yeah, there you go. Fuck. Well, got new fucking account, man. There's nothing else you can do. Because this is gonna reverse now. Okay. Too much confidence in that move up. And that's what happens. This is what happens, man. When you got this fucking confidence that something's gonna happen. It will happen, but... No. when you think it's gonna happen. I thought I'm gonna pass this account today, and unfortunately I fucking blow it up. Well, MNQ, we're going 3 now.
Order filled.
Quick fucking scalping.
Order filled.
Quick scalping.
Order filled.
No, that's
Order
not a place.
filled.
That's not a place. Oh man.
Order
Okay, let's
filled.
fucking go with 1. Should continue up now after we took that liquidity down here. Yes, didn't take that long.
Stop and Q
Order
sell.
filled.
Nightmare, man. That was good here. I don't know, I have to work on this. This pullback, you could have a fucking get out there. Well, it's minus $100 or something. I didn't want to press that.
Order filled.
Let's go, man. We're gonna go to this 40 now.
Order filled.
Ah, still
Order
pulling it
filled.
fucking low, man.
Sellers.
I'm
Order
gonna
filled.
dump it now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Stop ES sell.
Order filled.
Final
Order
dump.
filled.
Stop ES sell.
Unbelievable, man. Look at that. This whole fucking move. He has just took that 15 minutes. Oh, I'm gonna go
Order filled.
1 long on NQ. I think there is a possibility now of reversing.
Order filled.
No?
Sweep and Q sellers.
final.
Order
Was
filled.
the final drop? $50. Yeah, at least next time. I mean, I seen this emptiness here. There was no liquid. I was like, whoa, wait a second. I still blow up the account, but at least we learned something. Oh yeah, I think ES just hit that value area high of yesterday's. I mean, we hit that on Nasdaq, not on ES.
Absorption NQ buyers. Sweep NQ sellers.
That's trading, guys. So now I'm trying to, you know, get myself fast to 1,500. So I want to waste my time on passing this for another 2 weeks. God damn it, man. Yeah, ES was a good place to try to short this here. I was talking about this. But we were buying up here, Nasdaq, for push higher. I think this 550 is possible. Oh, uh, 55 past. Let's see if we get one more dip.
Sweep NQ sellers. Absorption NQ buyers.
Yeah. Too much confidence in this fucking move.
Absorption NQ sellers.
Oh, it was 10:30. I was thinking, yeah, 10 o'clock. I was thinking, yeah, how are we gonna go? Got caught on it.
Sweep and Q sellers. Absorption and Q buyers.
$58. Yeah, we had this fair value gaps. I'm just looking at this right now, and every push into it was a problem.
Sweep and Q sellers. Stop and Q sell.
Still going low. Look at that, man.
Stop ES sell.
Trap liquidity here. I'm gonna go
Order
long here.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
To buy it cheaper. Going. 25.
Order filled.
Let's get some push. A little bit of push. $75.
Order filled. Order filled.
Stop ES buy.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay.
Sweep NQ buyers. Sweep ES buyers. Sweep ES buyers.
Yeah, so I was targeting 75. I mean, that fair value gap basically I was targeting. Okay, I need 500 more and we're done for the day with this. Unfortunately, not gonna pass this week. It's the second week I'm trying to pass. Could get up there, but now it's like zero liquidity below, only liquidity
Order
above.
filled.
So I'm trying to. I'm just gonna grab something, whatever we can. 87.
Well, 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 it's me again. It's Donald J. Frickin' Trump, okay? And if you're sick and tired of hearing my voice in this ad, which is pretty sad, all you've got to do
Order filled.
is go real time at
So much.
financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on
Pretty
a
low.
subscription. Beautiful, big, huge discount. So what are you waiting for? Come on, do it.
Painful, man. Over a block here. No liquidity below, look at it. Maybe here.
Order
I
filled.
mean, yeah, falling again. See if we're gonna pick it up. I have to get out of this thing, I guess. Yeah, they grabbed that. Give me 5 minutes. $50. someone just
Absorption and Q sellers.
they want to push it lower. Looks like it. Yeah.
Order filled.
No. Looks like we're still going on.
Order filled.
Let's try. Take this low.
Order filled.
He's dropping muzzle, doesn't want to push.
Order filled.
He's gonna do it now.
Order filled.
Okay.
Stop NQ sell. Sweep ES sellers. Stop ES sell.
It's a fucking nightmare, honestly. Who would have thought they're gonna cancel this whole move out? $500 waiting. Fuck that, man, honestly. Wow. Measured move. 500.
Stop and Q sell.
Yeah, no liquidity here.
Smooth. I've said the Bears are who we thought they were.
$508.
Absorption and Q sellers.
It's just total collapse, man. Under 500. They want to
Stop
out.
and Q buy. Stop and Q sell.
475. Wow.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Try.
Sweep NQ buyers.
Again, got involved too early in this shit. But who knows? $25, $12, $20 waiting. Somewhere here, really. But I'm thinking we may get a squeeze now. 25. Bit less than that.
Order filled.
Taking it. I need $200.
Stop ES buy.
Still
Order
going.
filled.
This is what happens when you trying to hit that 1,500 instead of fucking taking $100. Come on, give me the squeeze. To the 32. Come on, let's go.
Stop ES sell. And you had your chance to get the fucking out, man.
Jesus, what an idiot. Mm. Man, honestly. Take the shorts up into the 25. Come on, take them up. I fucked up again.
Sweep and Q buyers. Absorption and Q sellers.
Now we're getting a bit of buying. So there's a chance now that we're gonna take that high.
Order filled.
Let's fucking go. And you're focusing on putting this instead of come on, squeeze. Give me the fucking 2 points more.
Absorption and Q buyers.
Okay, 1,498. So, the lesson is this. And this shit is not doing after this manipulation we're supposed to go. That's what I can tell you, mate. After that manipulation down, we should have gone up. And I was like, okay, that's manipulation is pretty okay with this, because I took first I took this one. Let me just take a piss first.
Iceberg ESL.
Okay, so let's just summarize this.
Smooth F said, I'm telling you fellas, you're gonna want that cowbell.
Let's summarize. So here, nice push into this liquidity up here, which is cool. First mistake I've made, I got out too early. Could have fucking stay in the straight. That was obvious target. Yeah. Okay, so they are pumping now. And you can see like there's no liquidity down here and the market is just going. So buy any kind of pullback. Like I got this account for example here which is broken. But I still can trade on it. So 25, if you can get it, you're not gonna get it because they are piling in and they can see the liquidity is drying out. So even if you just buy it, like
Order
you may
filled.
just buy it. Like you think it's, oh, it's so high. Even when you're buying it like this, somewhere here, you can still scalp into this liquidity. This is fair value gap actually.
Order
So I have
filled.
to close because we got another fair value gap here. Now we could get a pullback, but if you see this, like there's emptiness, that means this is not coming back down, mate. And look at this, they fucking went down to 70%. Can you believe it? They fucking did it. They did it, mate. Went to 70%. 79. ES did, yeah, almost 70. It's just what happens. So Nasdaq is pumping, right? Obviously there's this fair value gap, we got some, but like if there's no liquidity below, they're just gonna go, man. It's just gonna go. And you might be surprised. We're gonna take this high up here, and who knows what's gonna happen after that, but as long as they have liquidity and they want to buy, they're gonna be buying. Second lesson, the move started yesterday. Move started, I would say, that was the range. Move started somewhere here. Price likes to come back to the place where it started to move. So it started move here. Yeah, on Nasdaq you can see that it pretty much went down to this place. So that was like a news, and then news has been bought, and today is aftermatch of the news, because this whole move was after hours really. I mean, that was the last 15 minutes, and then all these buyers up here overnight, they got smoked, and I got smoked as well. I got smoked on this. I have to tell you that in this place, when I was pretty much 100 down, because I think my position was somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here. Let's just make it. This is where I had my position. First of all, a little bit too high. I was in a profit, $190 or something like this. Wanted to break this high, didn't happen. Dipped in. I said like fine. Probably that wasn't a manipulation, and that wasn't manipulation. It's not enough. I think I have to study more this third soup. Let's just go on total soup. ICT setup. Show me that images. Yeah. So here it is. That's your that's space too small. So yeah, that's the one. So that's what some sort of fair value gap down here, which we had. We had this fair value gap down here. That was one. Let me check on 5 minutes. Yeah, we had the fair value gap down here on 5 minutes. So technically speaking, this could have dipped into it, or into this one. You could qualify this as a, let me just check on 1 minute. Was it bigger on 1 minute? Yeah, on 1 minute it was a bit bigger, because you just count the body of this candle on that. So pretty much that's what you have to expect when market drops. So I should have closed my long, but I was kind of excited, you know, like, okay, we fucking went down so much, right? We took this high, we took that high, we're bouncing off actually nothing, but okay, low volume note, that's correct, you can bounce off of it. We were bouncing off value area high on ES, that's correct as well. And so yeah, that was valid entry here. I mean, if I went long of this somewhere here, and that was a good entry. We pushed. I think I sold somewhere here, and then wanted to re-enter it a little bit lower. Yeah, but we never got that. I never got it. I think I was looking for 37. Yeah, I was looking for 37. 41 was printed as a bottom, and then we went up for additional leg. So then we came back into this fair value gap, and this manipulation, it's a turtle sorry, turtle soup manipulation, this one here, when it just goes down like this, and that's supposed to reverse, and it did reverse. So I was pretty happy with this until here, until this candle. When that drops, this is over, mate. Sometimes they do like a secondary drop and then they go, sometimes, but I have to look into that. I'm gonna actually spend some time on this. Sometimes they do like a secondary drop and then they go, but I think a perfect turtle soup should not have this kind of drop. So you can see that turtle soup which was working here. So here you got liquidity range, and they were actually shorting it, so that was short. Manipulation to the upside, drop, and then manipulation to the downside. Yeah, so if that is a range, that is your range, that's your range, that's your manipulation to the downside, and that's supposed to go. But if it doesn't go, yeah, so I could have gone out here into this fair value gap, but like, yeah, let's close it. But I was thinking like, okay, I'm gonna close it, the market's gonna go higher, and then we're gonna fly, and that's why I held, and we dropped. I think I took a loss, then I took like another loss, then I think I was buying this order block down here and adding, and then we fucking dropped again, and yeah, so unbelievable drop. But this is what happens when you get stuck to one idea. You're blowing up account, and I did blow up account today. But we started a new one, made 1,500 on quick scalps, downside, upside. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I noticed one thing, that when I have this evaluation accounts, I tend to blow. I don't know. I will blow like a 10 of them before I pass, and once I pass, I trade completely different. Obviously, I'm more risk aware. I grab quickly. I'm satisfied with $100, $200, because the minimum is $200 a day. So if I have something on my on my trade, $200, and I see it's not going, I'll just shut it down, take it, and just grab 100 here, 200 here, and then I notice I get like 200, 300 day 200, 300, 400 dollars days, and I close everything, go for a walk. One week passes, I might have one good day when I make 600 or 700, and good scalping, and then one week passes and I have $3,000 on it and can withdraw 1,500, and I've done it many times. So this is a valuation account, and I guess I just don't want to spend too much time on it, but then I notice that I'm trying to do it quickly, like within 3 days. I'll have a day like this. I want to make $1,500. This is top step, so you cannot make more than that. And then second day I made 500, 600, 700, and I'm trying to pass. It's just, I think it's much more difficult to make this amount of dollars every day than just make 300. So probability of reaching this 3,000 is smaller, and that's what I noticed. But the good thing is that once you pass it and you get a payout, you get paid like 1,500, so it covers everything. It covers like $500 or $600 that you wasted, and you 1,000 up, and then if you can take a couple of payouts like I did, if you can take a couple of payouts like that, then you're solid, and you're no longer investing in this. You're actually benefiting from it. You start to receive emails from Top Step like how impressed they are and they want to take you to live, and then you blow up everything so they can't take you to live. And you start over again. Yeah, it's a shame. This was alright. Maybe I kept adding, because that's what it is, man. You see this thing. You see this thing coming up, and you're like, what? Now we're gonna push. He is gonna take this high, and we're gonna push into that. Oh yeah, I even put that level here. I was expecting ES just to push into this and then go. But if we did, then on NQ, let's just block that. Flatten. And if we did, then that will be a winner and that will be a pass. But we didn't, and I had an opportunity to get out, like I said here. There was an opportunity to get out here, like minus $100, probably less than that. Then we pulled. I thought we were gonna go on this candle. Yeah, let's go. And I think there was a moment when I realized on bookmap, like there was nothing below. We can actually go back into that place. What time was that? Let me check. 10 o'clock. Let's watch this. 10 o'clock. Can I actually go back? I can't. Yeah, that's a shame. I will be able to do it later when the stream finishes. But yeah, I'm gonna watch that actually today, because something happened here, obviously. Yeah, and it's 2 minutes. Something happened here with liquidity. Somebody was adding into this fair value gap, and we were after 10 o'clock. Usually after 10 o'clock should get that push. But another thing is, if we don't get a push, which I forgot about it, if we don't get the push after 10:30, we are dropping lower, and that's the 10:30 candle. I tried one more time, and then we started to go down. But how down can we go? Like take that low. We did take that low. We bounced. Our ES was at the time. ES was already. Let me just check that. ES was behind. $10.50. Yeah, so ES was a bit behind, so I was thinking, yeah, ES gonna hit that, and they will take that, and we're gonna go. So yeah, okay. It happens, man. It happens. Hopefully we'll pass next week. I'm trying to pass it for... That's gonna be second week I'm doing it right now. I can't pass it, but that's usually how long it takes me once I blow up accounts. It takes me like fucking 2 weeks to pass. From my statistics, I don't know. And then I pass it, and I get a payout. And like 1 month passes, and then I get a payout. I have to change this. So there's like a pattern. Like in trading you get pattern, and in psychology you get patterns. Very, very there is something in it, this pattern thing. Psychology patterns. The behavioral patterns. I think that, yeah, something just ticked in my head here, like get the fuck out from this thing. But then another person said to my right, like, well, wait a second, man, this could be it. That's the manipulation. We could just go right now. We could go. Yeah, it would be much better if we did this, if this candle actually closed above that candle here. Then yes. So 2 things. I think next time when we see that hold, that was good hold, because I sold into that. I sold into this high. That was a good hold. Re-enter it. So sometimes you think it's gonna dip, because it could dip into this order block here and then go. That's why we got bookmark, to see where the liquidity is. Yeah. Oh, that was a good push into this fair value gap up here. Should have stayed in it. Yeah. This buying was maybe a bit too high. I was buying somewhere here and ending. That's why I end up being up here. But I think next time I'm just gonna shut down and try, because then you realize, okay, this is range. They are making a range here. That's the range, and so you don't want to be in the upper part of the range. You want to be in the discount part of the range when you're buying. So you have to always expect some sort of manipulation. Another opportunity is here. Just be patient. There's your range, bottom of the range, and put your order here below that low, and try to get it. Its low is here, on another candle low is somewhere else. 5 minutes, its low is down here. On 1 minute, yeah, I think looking at 1 minute is a bit better. Yeah, the manipulation into trapped shorts. So you put your order here, comes back up. Now you can hold it, put your stop loss break even. If it goes, you're in the money. If it goes up, and that's your target. And that was the open. So it was just perfect, man. Because usually, people who bought it at the open, they're gonna close. So yeah. How I blew up this fucking $2,500. Well, I think revenge trading kicks in. Because I was down here 400, nothing big, it's not a big deal, but like in your eyes it's like fuck, I'm minus 450 and you want to quickly make it back up. And I think I was up like $190 or something. But then you think, this shit's gonna go, man. Because they could have done that, another dip and then go. Especially that there was this 10:30 time, so at 11 o'clock they could have taken this. I think I even talked about it during this trade. That's why I held it, right? Hold your winners. And then I think they dipped. Yeah. And then it's just a panic after that. That's what happens. Because then you might 1,000 down. It's like, oh shit, how to do it? It was just easy, man. Just go fucking short. Yeah, everything is easy after that. Because we just broke that. Just go short. You would have made that $1,000 back, and then go short again. All right, that's it. Oh, that's it. Blow up. And 1,500 on the new account. That's the end of story. I will try again until we fucking make it. Yeah. Once we pass it, we're not gonna be going, 10 or 15 contracts. We're gonna be trading 3 plus 3. Make 300, 400 a day. 2 weeks and get it into the payout. So what is this doing? Okay, so yeah, they dropped. Look at that, that's 70%, 79% of the whole range. When Nasdaq started, it started here. And we pushed up. Alright, I'm gonna end the stream now. Thanks for watching. Guys, like and subscribe. This is where trading, right? People make mistakes. You can watch this, you can learn from that. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing it for myself. I'm recording this for myself to watch this in the evenings, to see what I've done, what I was thinking, what I was saying, why I made the decisions. Then I go and check, how bookmark behave at the time, all the specific moments, good trades and bad trades. And I try to draw conclusions after that and improve my trading and come back next day and do it a little bit better. And yeah, so I hope this helps everyone who is watching this, seeing that so please drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and better days will come. Take care. Enjoy your evening. That was Trap Trader. 31st of July 2025, and you witnessed live trading. Take care. Bye.